up, you guys? It's your girl KP, and I got my brother Miko with me. Say hey. In this video, we're just gonna be reviewing the KFC donut chicken sandwich. Well, not we. He is gonna be reviewing that. I'm not tasting that. I'm not putting my mouth in it. I don't know. It just doesn't sound appetizing to me. But that's what we'll be discussing in this video.
Y'all, I don't know how this is gonna taste, but we're gonna find out because I like food.
What do you have to say, baby J? He's sleepy, y'all.
I think he mad because he wants some of this.
Oh, he wants some of the sandwich.
Is that how you feel? Huh?
And be sure to add my brother on Snapchat, Instagram.
I'll put the links down below for everything, y'all. But yeah.
All right, let's get into it. What made you go buy this sandwich?
So I've been seeing it like on TV and stuff. And me, I love to eat. I love food, so I like trying new things. So I was like, let me go try it. But first impressions, this donut looks extremely dry.
Show it.
I'm not gonna lie. It should look like when you open it up. No glaze at all, but we're gonna try to give it a chance. So here goes nothing.
It does look dry. Ew.
Oh, all the glaze at the bottom, that's why.
At the bottom of the container?
Yeah. All this glaze in here.
Yeah. Y'all look at
Here
this. Oh my god. You foodies. Here y'all go. He smells it. It's dripping glaze. I don't know, y'all. I just can't stomach it. Like, he's brave.
It's really greasy.
Ooh, I'm about to throw up. That is nasty. Y'all, that is why I wasn't going to try the sandwich, because when I think of KFC, all I think about is greasy chicken. Like, their chicken is good, don't get me wrong, but I wouldn't eat their chicken on a regular because of how greasy it is. Mix that with a donut? Hell no.
The sandwich not bad, but I think they overdid the glaze on the bottom. And then when you mix it in with the grease, when you bite the actual chicken, y'all, it ain't nothing to get hype about. It's not. All that crazy they did over Popeyes. No, this ain't nothing. From a scale of 1 to 10, I give it like a 3. But
Okay. Well, y'all have it
don't
here.
go waste your money. It's not worth the money. But there it goes again. If y'all want to see it.
That's it, y'all. That's it.
And altogether, this little combo costs like $9.
What all did you get with the combo?
You get the sandwich, the drink, and some potato wedges. Costs like $9. If you get the sandwich by itself, it comes out to like $6.
Okay.
So, but y'all can go spend your money somewhere else, in my opinion.
Well, y'all have it here. Don't waste your $9.
Don't do it.
Don't waste it. The chicken was greasy, of course, and then the donut was dry at the top, and all the glaze is like on the bottom donut of the sandwich, whatever.
I was expecting like a Krispy Kreme type donut, but it's really just like bread.
Don't hit me.
It ain't no difference between that and a regular chicken sandwich, to be honest with you. It's just a little sweeter, but yeah, it's not worth the money. It's not worth the hype.
Nope. All right, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Say hey, baby J. Say hello to the camera. All right, but y'all have it here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Got some more stuff coming up for you guys. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you have any questions, if you have any video requests or ideas. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.